Hi there, welcome to the Categories webinar. Today we'll focus on how to categorize your data in FIGJAM's SFA. There's many benefits to this, however the two core ones are it's a great way to attribute your data, which streamlines and alleviates the configuration and administration of your platform. Secondly, it's a well-categorized data enhances reporting, which ultimately leads to your data and information being able to be drilled down into and better analyzed at the end of the day. FIGJAM SFA has three core types of categories. The first being your products, second your stores or your customers, and thirdly your job data. We'll start off with your product categories, which is the web page you see here. As you can see, I've got 7 categories set up at the moment. It's quite easy to create a new one. So for example, this is great if you bring on a new principal, possibly you're listing a new range of products. Let's call this beverages. Is Sage category refers to if you're on an integrated platform. If you're not, you can ignore that and keep that set to no. If we are integrated, your categories are going to be automatically managed from your ERP. On the same screen, you can assign it to your various reps or field teams. It's a great way if various reps look after different portfolios of customers, you can quickly and easily set up those configs and assignments there. So in this case, James North will automatically get any beverage listed SKU that I put into the platform simply by moving this across. We'll wait for that to submit. There we go. Right, other ways you can use the categories on your products. I think the first and obvious one is you assign it to your various products, which I showed you in a previous webinar. As you can see, these are all the categories assigned to each of the SKU lines. There is the concept of a primary or main category with secondary or tertiary categories that you can assign thereafter. Really up to you how granular you want to get on your categorization of your products. Secondly, on your users here, you can manage their portfolios under their profiles, and you can move and do this across left and right here. So anything on the left means it's not assigned, meaning James North here does not have any of the stationary products that we have listed, but he does have all of these product ranges. Right, onto our store categories. This is really great to segment your customer base, particularly if it's large or you've got different personas or profiles within that. As you can see, I've got key account, B grades, and wholesaler customers. But let's say we want to add some more. Let's say we've got some customers in the general trade and we want to segment them accordingly. So we create that as such. From here, on that, if you edit a category, you can assign the various or specific customers to that and manage it this way. Alternatively, you can do it through your stores page, as I showed you in the previous webinar, where you can upload or edit one by one through here. Now, the third category or type of category we've got are job categories. This is really great to tag each of your activities that your team are doing. A very common one is around photographs, but you can apply these job categories or tags to any job type in FIGJAM. Once again, it follows the same process to add it over here. And let's say we want pictures of any breakages of products. By default, these are all ticked, but you can just manage that accordingly. I just want to leave that the photo tool is ticked for us. There we go, and we upload it. Once it's uploaded, your field teams in the app will be able to apply the job category to any photo, order, or pricing survey that as long as it's being configured correctly. And then the benefit of this is when you start drilling down into your job data here, for example, if we go to photos, I don't have any photos in the platform. Thank you.